Racing just is started well. Defiant, or rather Owaki, came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Crystal's Beauty first to show quickness at the start. Moving up Billionaria, and on the outside Victory Joe. Z Senor getting the wide strip. Makisig, Defiant second last, while Owaki is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Crystal's Beauty by about 3/4 of a length lead. Victory Joe moving up. Makisig, Billionaria is racing in fourth. Next online is Z Senor Defiant, while Owaki is still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Crystal's Beauty by about 2 lengths. Victory Joe in second. Billionaria now trying to get closer in third. Makisig comes next. Z Senor Defiant, while Owaki is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Crystal's Beauty by only a length and a half. Billionaria is on the outside as they swing for home. We have Crystal's Beauty moving up on the outside is Billionaria with about 100 meters of the race. We have Crystal's Beauty this time by about 3 lengths over Billionaria. Third, Victory Joe, then comes Makisig, Defiant, Owaki, and Si Senor.
3, 4, 6, 5. Kaya ni